Sampa Power of Manufacturing. Sheet Metal Factory. There are 8 major steps to manufacturing parts made for your heavy-duty commercial vehicle at the Sheet Metal Factory. Starting with engineers at Sampa's Advanced Research and Development Center, CAMP, who develop tailored blueprints and test metal properties. Raw materials are carefully chosen based on their strength, endurance, and compatibility for the type of part to be produced. Skilled technicians seamlessly connect coil sheets to drivers in coil press lines, laying the foundation for quality. Products undergo various plastic deformations in advanced press lines, ensuring the perfect shape every time. These press lines are C-type eccentric press line, include cutting, bending, piercing, chamfering, ironing, and forming across 21 machines from 63 to 250 tons. Hydraulic press line for deep drawing, ironing, bending, piercing across 17 machines from 100 to 2,000 tons. H-type eccentric presses perform various operations like cutting, stamping, piercing, drawing, and progressive techniques, by using 10 machines ranging from 100 to 800 tons. Processed products are then moved to digitally controlled lathe machines for precise shaping. CNC lathe line offers turning and radius provision on 12 machines, ranging from 230 mm to 240 mm diameters. Next, products enter the welding operation, where durability and strength are forged into every piece. Products are then categorized into welding lines based on their specific types, ensuring focused attention on quality. Circular welding line for vulcanized sheets, pistons, piston lower cups, and semi-finished products using 20 circular welding stations. 32 gas welding machines, 1 resistance welding machine, and 3 vacuum leak testing machines. Plate line welding on plates and various products across 12 cells equipped with CNC lathe machines, welding robots, leak testing machines, tapping machines, and numbering machines. Rigorous leak testing guarantees our high-quality standards, ensuring every product meets our stringent criteria. Accurate threading and numbering streamline sheet metal products for seamless integration and effortless identification during shipping. Lastly, cutting-edge techniques like cutting, stamping, piercing, drawing, and progressive techniques across a range of machines, from 100 tons to 800 tons, ensuring the Sampa power of manufacturing excellence in every detail.